To download a custom app, navigate to Admin, then Global Settings, and either scroll down to the Apps tile or use the search bar to navigate to it. Click on it, and this will take you to the Marketplace. Within the new search bar, in the Marketplace, search for ConnectWise ScreenConnect, Initiate RMM. Click on it, and this will take you to the correct page. On this page, you can see the app overview, any ratings, as well as installation instructions. Once you're ready to install it, simply click Install. This takes you to the configuration for the application, which requires the URL of both Freshservice and ConnectWise, as well as both of their API keys. If you scroll down, there are more detailed instructions below. Let's use an example here of both URLs and API keys filled out. Once you have everything set, click Validate, and then the application will check whether the information is correct. If it is, you'll get a message of validation successful. In the case it's not correct, make sure to reread the instructions and retry. Once everything is set up, click Install. This will install the application within your Freshservice instance. Now let's navigate back to Global Settings and create an example ticket to view the functionality of the app. Let's make it in the IT workspace with any requester in the workspace, the subject of ConnectWise, and a ConnectWise description. Let's submit the ticket, and now we can view the custom app from the right side below Properties. In the case of an agent not being assigned, you will get a warning of agent unassigned, in which case you cannot create a remote session. Let's assign it to an agent here and update the ticket properties. Now the custom app will not automatically update just via the properties, so let's refresh the page. And this way, the information within the app will be updated, where you will be now allowed to create a support session. From within this menu, the agent can use a template for an email. This template will ask the requester to join a remote session. Once this email is sent, this actually turns on a remote session. And we can view the status for it on the right-hand side as online. And the agent can then join it directly through the Join button. Requesters can do the same thing, but through the requester view on the support portal. If the agent wants to end the remote session, they just have to click on End, and that turns off this remote support session. And once we reload the page, you can see that all of the session details are saved as a private note, including the session topic, all of the related times, and the entire event log.